Where does the unbreakability begin? In the ancient iron-rich earth. Next, how it travels across oceans.
How much ore makes one car? Around 900 kilograms of steel.
Your delivery manifest and RFID tag, please.
Here they are.
Verified. You are cleared to enter the facility.
The process begins with the raw material itself. Impurity control starts here, analyzing the Fe content.
How hot is this? Over 1,500 degrees Celsius.
Why wash the steel? To remove dust before stamping. The giant press.
Hundreds of meters of welding bead. Next, coating the frame.
Will it ever rust? Not with this charged coating. The body comes together.
Yoshi!
Why wash clean metal? Even a fingerprint can ruin the paint. The electric bath. Why use electricity? It attracts paint like a magnet, wasting less.
Right here. A small inclusion on the hood panel. I see it. Get the rotary out.
How precise is this? More precise than a watch movement. The moving parts.
How fast will these move? Up and down 100 times per second. Closing the engine.
Why not start it with gas? Cold testing is faster and finds more defects. Why 10 speeds? Keeps the engine in the sweet spot for power or economy. The 4WD magic.
Is this true 4WD? Yes, with low range for climbing walls.
Please stand clear.
Why keep the solid axle? It forces the wheel down for traction when the other goes up. Next, stopping power.
Yoshi!
Hanger 1 secured. How's the clearance over the axle?
Looks good. Attaching the second isolator now.
Why plastic, not steel? It's lighter and can't spark if hit by a rock. The giant wheels.
Why so many layers? To make the V6 silent at highway speeds. Next, the sealing.
How many parts in a dash? Hundreds, but it installs as one big piece. Is this a computer on wheels? It processes terabytes of data for off-road assist.
What happens if these loosen? They can't. They use chemical lockers and high torque.
Is the steering electric or hydraulic? Hydraulic with electric actuator for the best road feel. Are these seats heavy? Very, due to motors and cooling fans inside. Next, the back row.
Is that real wood? Yes, walnut wood trim for the ZX grade. Next, the command center. Congratulations, team. Another one finished.
Why use lasers? Because human eyes can't see a 0.1 degree error that would ruin tires. Next, aiming the lights.
Why is the left light lower? To avoid blinding oncoming drivers in right-hand drive markets.
Is this a car wash? No, it's a hurricane simulation. The deluge.
Does water get in? The double seals keep the beige leather bone dry.
Verified.
Okay.
How cold does the AC get? Cold enough for the Dubai desert, tested right here.
How long does this stay on? Until the customer sees it at the dealership. Protecting the leather.
All right, keep it coming straight. Easy now.
Clear on this side. I've scanned the PDI. Let's get these blocks out.
Congratulations on your new Land Cruiser. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I can't wait to drive it.
Is it just a mall crawler? Absolutely not. It's built for the wild.
Why do people trust it with their lives? Because of the thousands of steps of perfection you just witnessed.